Hey, beautiful souls. I pray that you all are having a blessed day so far. In today's video, you guys, we have a delicious stuffed focaccia bread. OMG, I have been loving baking. It is stuffed. It is seasoned with Jamaican curry because you know I got to Caribbeanize it some way or another. All right, stuffed with veggies and mozzarella cheese. Let's get into the recipe. So first, you're going to activate your yeast. In a bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. Stir and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Now, to make the dough, in a large bowl, mix your flour and your salt. You're just going to whisk the salt into the flour. Add your activated yeast mixture and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I did not have olive oil, so I used vegetable oil. All measurements will be in the description box below. Now you're going to stir until a sticky dough forms, right? Then you're going to knead by hand, or if you have a mixer. I don't have a mixer, so I've just been getting strong, okay? Been getting these muscles in. And you're going to knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic. Then you're going to lightly oil a clean bowl. I did not do that. I used the same bowl that I had. Place the dough in, cover with a damp cloth or plastic wrap. Let that double in size for about an hour. Now here's the stuffing that I am making. I have broccoli, red onions, diced mushrooms. I'm going to add seasoning salt to this, black pepper, curry powder, Jamaican curry powder to be precise. And I also had some Scotch bonnet pepper in here as well. And you're just gonna saute that until it's, not too soft, but, just right. Now, when your dough doubles in size, you're gonna go ahead and cut it in half. If you are stuffing your focaccia like I did, you wanna cut it in half. And then you're gonna stretch it out into the pan. Then we're gonna add our fillings. I added my mozzarella cheese and my broccoli and mushroom filling. And then with the other half, you're gonna have to roll that out and then put it on top and trying to seal the edges to the best of your ability. And I used a 9x13 size pan just in case you were wondering. And we're gonna let this rise again. All right, so here I am. I'm just rolling out the other half to place on top. And we're gonna let this rise again for like another 30 to 40 minutes. And what's funny is I was supposed to let this rise uncovered, and I covered it because I wasn't thinking about it. Now here's my oil that has oil, obviously, red pepper flakes. It has rosemary, cilantro, or no, parsley, not cilantro. It has parsley in it. And then I added curry powder, Jamaican curry powder to it because I wanted this to have a nice Jamaican curry flair to it. Anyway, that's the oil that I'm going to be drizzling over the top. So that's my seasoned oil. You want to poke some holes into your focaccia at the top of it using your finger. Poke some holes. Then go ahead and use your seasoning oil mixture. Put whatever you like in yours. Go ahead and put that all over your dough. And then it's time to decorate. I used bell peppers of different colors, red onions, mushrooms. That is what I had on top of my focaccia. Yo, I'm so excited to be baking. This has been a blast. I've been having fun baking, so much fun. Anyway, you're going to pop this in the oven on 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes, and voila. Absolutely gorgeous. It came out beautiful. I love food to taste beautiful, look beautiful, the aesthetics of food and just how all the flavors come together. I absolutely love cooking, and it's the creativity and the beauty of it all that's just like, it's so awe-inspiring. I absolutely love it. It came out delicious. It had a nice crust and the inside was so soft and fluffy, and then with the curry, I can't even explain how good this was. Too good. Too good. And I didn't add too much mozzarella cheese. You can go ahead and add more, but our tummies are kind of sensitive to excess amounts of cheese. So even when I use cheese, I try not to overdo it in a week or so. But yeah, this came out so good. I love how the vegetables over the top, especially the mushroom, got nice and caramelized. So good. It was stuffed nicely. It was very tasty, nice crust, like I said, and just so good. So tasty, so delicious. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you would try this focaccia recipe. God bless and peace.